Here I have Samsung Galaxy M23, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly, you'll have to connect your device to the USB cable on the one side and on the other side to the computer. Then you have to turn it off. And after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And hold it until you enter recovery mode. So here in the recovery mode, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off, and also repair apps. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option reboot system now and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.